Yeah, I'm on my gang shit. Whole gang bang shit. Whole thing gang shit. In the Benz, I'm tryna lane switch. Deep inside, they know I whack 'em, just be on cool shit. I got this fully automatic, you can't swerve through the back street. Straight up out the yeah. Everybody got a blick.
Mississippi TV.
We got Mississippi TV. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, I appreciate that.
All right, gotcha.
Come on.
OG people, the 70s is where it was at for them.
Okay.
But late 70s, early 80s, the 71s and the 72s were accessible. You could get those.
Okay.
You know, those was like the Camaros.
But this the king of the Chevelles right here.
This the king of it.
Yeah.
This will be this and the Copo Camaro.
Yeah.
And the fastback Mustangs, like these was like the original trendsetters of the muscle car.
Yeah.
The 70s. You were Transport, two colors, Chevelle, and you got the Cooters. Besides like the 69 Camaros, all of those, but see by 71 and 72, GM had dumbed down the motors.
Okay, so the king came with the,
so 70
the most.
Was the 1970 LS6 454 Chevelle. That joint made 450 horsepower.
Out the factory.
Out the factory.
Aggressive motor.
And that was just what they labeled it as. It really made like 5 something. Then you threw some headers on it and did the exhaust on it. That little bit of horsepower was pushing out even more.
Even back then?
Back then. Almost 500 horsepower in the 70s for a factory car was like...
Yeah, you the top of the line. That's why it's the king.
Top of the line. That's why it's the king.
Okay.
But they had different versions of it because this is a 396. So this was like so you got I base it off newer cars. So you got the Camaro. You got the top of the line, which would be what, the ZR1?
Yeah, I'm guessing. What
the
is
LS, so this will be
the LSL?
Cadillacs, you know, anything with the supercharger. It'll be the LT5 or the LT4.
Okay, in that generation, in that era. Okay.
Which was the 454 LS6.
Yeah.
Then you had the LS5, which was the 454, and that made 400 and something horsepower. Then you had, because it was all based on the heads too.
Yeah.
Some of them came with aluminum heads with rectangle ports between the LS5 and the LS6, and then you jump down to the 396, which some of those made 350, and then some of them made 375 horsepower.
Yeah.
So that's how, and that would be like you drop down from that to go to the Camaro SS, and then switch it to the Dodge lane.
Yeah.
You got your Hellcat, you got your Red Eye. Some of them made 808 horsepower, and then you got some of them to make 800 horsepower.
Yeah.
Then you got some of them to make 700, and then you got your Scat. So this would be considered a Scat in the Dodge world, because it's the 396 that made 375 horses.
But the year, because based off the year, it's still in the king bracket.
But it's the 70s. It's a 1970s.
Yeah.
That's the difference. So the tail lights and the headlights is what separate.
Tail light.
Yeah. So the tail lights got that. So the 70s got the rectangle or the square headlights, and the 70s got the circle headlights in the back.
Okay.
And then the headlights on the front of here got 4. And then
let me check out the headlight real quick.
The 71s and the 72s got the 4 headlights.
Okay.
Yeah, so they kind of like interchangeable. I mean, you can't change it.
It's bad that you know I gotta check that motor out for them folks.
Oh yeah.
Real deal cow hood, so I can see. They talking about getting the thing painted again too. Going back with the original color.
Yeah, see, this one of your favorite ones right here.
That's why it was on the right for you to put another big block up in that junk.
Oh yeah.
And here go the 396, which he worked that a little bit too. Got the AFR heads up there with the cam up there. That's the original junk. But you see he remixed that thing a little bit.
Yeah, added my little touch to it.
AFR head, all that. But he put the big boy. He put the big boy motor in this joint. What's y'all see the motor? Scott Sharroff. You don't see too many people with this engine he got too. He guy based out of New York. Based out of New York.
It's mad dirty.
Shit, it's all good. Well, you can't unless you fire that joint up for me. Got the MAD. MAD, we about to jump on the road. Road 9, take a trip to Suffolk. Well, if you swap this out, we'll hit Monte Carlo. Let y'all, let him give a rundown to y'all about that, what he planning on doing with it. But this the big boy. Scott Sharroff motor. Yep. 1970 Chevelle. Big boy intake. Holler mid mount. The railing fans. You got everything you need. Curry one suspension all the way around. Roots again. Oh no, I'm ready when we go. got caught in the rain before. Not often.
This car?
Yeah.
This car always in the rain.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Yeah, I ain't been off of that.
Oh, I already know you ain't.
No rain on her. Cats in Florida be in the rain all the time. They
Yeah, so do.
just out there.
Join them, John regardless. With that AC pumping in that motherfucker. I don't know, it just messed my whole mood up.
Oh, they do. It used to be like, you know, that
Oh, it ain't rain no time. You damn so don't be having heat. Oh damn, your seals be leaking, huh?
Which
See
one?
the rain coming right there, a little water. You don't be having no heat coming on your floor.
No. You didn't say water leaking
Right there.
Oh, on the carpet part?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Guess so.
That's another thing I ain't like driving my door. Even without I put the new seals in there, even when I watch it, you can see it on my door a little bit.
Oh yeah. Nah, that's it. I don't got no door seal.
So you don't? How you got no door seal? That shit right here, right? That's a door seal. Right? Don't say this shit sealed up
Yeah, on the
perfectly.
window part.
Oh, okay.
On the window part, but as far as on the side,
Yeah.
it's only a half seal. So yeah, water leaking. Even when I wash it, car, that happens.
Real. How much gas you got in this truck? Oh, okay. And from right here to your mom, how far away we are?
Maybe 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. That shit right down the road.
Or maybe, yeah, 15.
Oh, okay. You said it got down. You said the 70 is the king of all Chevelle's, huh?
Yeah, the 70s,
That's the one.
that's the big body,
It ride damn good on the slam too.
Yeah, the 70s, the big body. 71s and 72s, those still, you know.
Yeah, that's great too, man. But the 70 big dog.
The 70s, the big dog, yeah. It's like one of the most desirable ones. But, like I say, it's only certain 70s that are most desirable.
Yeah. I only hear people talking about the 60 model. Like the 68.
69, 68. People
Oh.
like those too. That was the first year, the 396.
Okay.
The real rat motor.
Yeah.
And then when 70 came, they did the 396, but they ordered to 402.
Yeah.
402 big block. It's alright big block. It ain't nothing to really, you know, people don't go crazy over.
What made you take your joint out and go aftermarket big block? You just want a little bit more.
Something with a lot more power. Yeah, because I ain't running it for
you'll be better just getting your aftermarket, real deal motor. You can stomp on it if you want to.
Yeah. You can have fun with it, know it'll last. You don't have to worry about it tearing up. Okay. And it's a dark block.
You got the best of the best in that. You got the best of the best in this, John.
Yeah.
So Scott Chevelle, you really fooled them folks. They ain't disappoint you on this bill, huh?
Nah. I mean, I don't think they disappoint anybody.
Nobody. And this is only the second person I ever seen. You think you the only second or third person? I think I done only seen 3 Scott Chevelle motors in my time. There was a black truck that be at Petersburg when we going to them with the heads, and I think I seen like one more person. But they made some good motors. Yeah. On the slab right now, as y'all can see. Been on the slab and rain and everything. About to pull up a sucker, grab the Monte Carlo.
Yeah, I drive the old school in the rain.
Like the Florida boys. You said that Florida, that rain ain't gonna hurt that.
It's a car, man. It's supposed to be driven.
You ain't lying.
If you gonna dump money into it.
And then they better do it all, huh?
Yeah. That's why I kinda, you know what? That's why I like now.
He ride that junk like a
Drive
the piss out that car.
Yeah.
Real talk.
They been too fly.
Yeah, they be out. The dollar bill be chilling in his joint. They be chilling. But fly now.
That's what you gotta do. It's like you put all that money into it.
Yeah.
What's the point if you ain't gonna enjoy it?
I heard it. So
now, you know, going with the lowrider, it's a little bit different because you hit them switches and you hit the street the wrong way. You know, it's a little different. When you put that power and that muscle in it, man, it's built for the street.
I seen one of them cats hit that jump was bouncing up and down, and came down wrong. The whole suspension just folded under the car. I was like, man, ain't no goddamn way. Hey, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we pull up for y'all check the Monte Carlo out.
I want to get that Whipple.
There you go, y'all. We down here talking about the LS model he gonna go with. They're gonna be his first LS bill. Monte Carlo flawless. About to move the thing, I'll give y'all a better look at it. Might go big boy Whipple in the junk. Yeah, we here. We here, dog. Too clean. Hit them derailleurs in that junk. How long it been sitting there, Warren? 3 months.
Since November.
Since November.
And then before that, probably down all together. The last time I drove it is
Yeah. Stop all the time. Say, I sound on that. That bitch sound good. That bitch sound good to me. Oh, you good? Man, tell me that bitch ain't clean. This is gonna be the one right here. Damn, this joint ain't clean. Yeah, if my joint looked a little blurred, that's because I had that steady on. I had to turn it off. T-top. Hey. Hey. Oh, choke. Huh? Yep. Clean, man. That boy got him one. Both of his joints. Look at him. Got the Veil and the Monte Carlo. The Monte Carlo is gonna be a fool. I'm telling you now. Stay tuned. I got that footage coming, baby. This gonna be the one now. It's gonna be the first one he gonna put an LS in, and it's gonna be a fool. And I'm telling you now, homeboy, he got down do his joint real nice. Tell me what y'all think about it. Follow them comment. Let me know what y'all think about it. And the Veil too. But yeah. That's how I'm gonna end it. The Mississippi TV, y'all tap in with that boy. Since I ain't spoken on YouTube, so I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, tell somebody about the boy, man. I was 45, right down in Southern Clay County. Man, y'all already know them my neck of the woods at home, baby. I'm not this time, wow.
Yeah, they know my whole